The year was 2050 when the breakthrough came. A team of physicists at CERN had been working tirelessly on a top-secret project, attempting to crack the code of quantum mechanics. Led by the brilliant and enigmatic Dr. Sophia Patel, they had made significant progress in recent months. However, it wasn't until they stumbled upon an unusual energy signature that they realized the magnitude of their discovery. The team was ecstatic as they realized that the energy signature was not from our universe, but rather a portal to another dimension. They quickly got to work, deploying state-of-the-art equipment to stabilize the portal and prepare for a journey into the unknown. As they stood on the cusp of this unprecedented adventure, Dr. Patel couldn't help but feel a mix of excitement and trepidation. "Are we sure this is safe?" asked one of her colleagues, Dr. Liam Chen. "We're talking about traveling to another dimension here," he added, his voice laced with skepticism. "What if we can't find our way back, Dr. Patel smiled reassuringly. "I've run countless simulations, Liam. We have a plan in place for every eventuality." She paused, her eyes scanning the team. "Besides, think of the implications. We could be on the cusp of a new era of scientific discovery." With renewed determination, the team stepped forward, ready to face whatever lay ahead. As they entered the portal, the world around them began to distort and blur. The familiar landscape of their laboratory gave way to an eerie, pulsating mist. They found themselves standing at the edge of a vast, crystal lake that stretched out as far as the eye could see. The water's surface reflected the sky above, creating an infinite loop of color and light. Dr. Patel felt a shiver run down her spine as she gazed upon this marvel of nature. "Welcome to the world of Illyria," she whispered, her voice barely audible over the hum of excitement in the team's minds. Here, physics works differently. As they explored this strange new world, they discovered that gravity didn't behave as they had expected. Objects hovered in midair, and the concept of up and down became a relative notion. Time itself was fluid, flowing at different rates in various regions. One moment, Dr. Patel found herself standing next to a tree. The next, she was floating above it, watching as leaves danced in the air. The team struggled to wrap their minds around these fundamental changes. "Is this some kind of quantum flux?" asked Dr. Chen, his eyes wide with wonder. "I'm not sure I understand, Dr. Patel smiled wistfully. "It's not just quantum mechanics, Liam. This is a whole new paradigm. The laws of physics are rewritten in Illyria." As they delved deeper into this strange world, the team encountered creatures that defied explanation. There were beings made entirely of light, which could change shape at will, and others with multiple limbs, each capable of performing distinct tasks. The experience was both exhilarating and disorienting. Dr. Patel couldn't help but wonder what other secrets Illyria held, waiting to be uncovered. "Are we ready to return home?" asked one of the team members, her voice laced with a hint of fear. Dr. Patel hesitated, weighing the risks and benefits. "We'll need to run more simulations," she said finally. "But for now, let's explore this incredible world." As they ventured further into Illyria, the team discovered a realm where art and science blended seamlessly together. They witnessed masterpieces created by beings who manipulated matter with their minds. "This is the true essence of creativity," Dr. Patel exclaimed, her eyes shining with awe. "We can learn so much from this world." Their journey through Illyria was not without its challenges, however. The team encountered pockets of darkness that threatened to consume them whole. They discovered strange energies that seemed to be drawn to their very presence. Dr. Patel realized that they were not alone in this world. There existed beings who watched them with a mixture of curiosity and suspicion. These guardians of Illyria were wary of outsiders, viewing them as disruptors of the natural balance. As the team navigated these obstacles, Dr. Patel began to realize that their presence here was not just a curiosity, but also an opportunity. They had been brought to this world for a reason, one that only they could fulfill. "We have a responsibility to use our knowledge wisely," she declared, her voice carrying across the expanse of Illyria. We must work together to find a way back home and share our discoveries with the world." The team nodded in agreement, their faces set with determination. They knew that their journey was far from over, but they were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. As they prepared to leave Illyria behind, Dr. Patel couldn't help but wonder what other wonders this parallel universe held. She smiled wistfully, knowing that their discovery would change the course of human history forever. "We'll return one day," she whispered, her voice barely audible over the hum of excitement in the team's minds. "And when we do, we'll be ready." With a final glance at the shimmering portal, the team stepped forward, ready to embark on their next adventure.